Hello, Lewis County High School students. I thought it may be helpful to talk you through some things that you have coming up in the next week or so. And actually, you have a quiz that you need to take by Friday at midnight. So I thought I would begin by walking you through this announcement that has been available to you since March 23rd. First and foremost, I am certain that you are concerned with much more than English 200 right now, and I want you to know that I understand that and that I am trying to be as lenient as possible with all of my students, as you are not the only English 200 course that I teach online, as well as all of my high school students are now taking my English courses online using Google Classroom. And my drama students are in leeway right now as we have postponed our spring musical Cinderella and are hoping to get to perform our show sometime this summer when COVID-19 has passed. That's our hope, of course. I want you to know that you can reach out to me. You can email me. You can call my Google Voice number, 859-813-4021. You can pose a post on the discussion board. And I would look forward to hearing from you if you need anything at all. If I don't email you back within 24 hours, you should email me again because your email has gone to junk or clutter, something. I haven't received it because I am always available and still working 10 and 12 hours a day. I'm homeschooling my son, Gus, and that has been a challenge. He'll be 5 on Saturday. And I'm also teaching all my classes as well as Zooming with my drama students, and we've been rehearsing via Zoom. I asked you to read 100 pages from your textbook, and those pages will help you put your research essay together. Number 2, I ask you a question. Have you chosen a research topic for this semester? If not, you must also choose a topic this week. From the syllabus, select a topic over any controversial issue with at least 2 conflicting points of view. Using at least 6 legitimate secondary sources, print or online, construct a 6 to 8 page, 15-paragraph minimum argumentative essay that incorporates those sources with your argument. Must be in MLA format. I also made you videos for the research essay, and those are on my blog, and I'll show you those to you in just a moment. You may research any topic that interests you, and I challenge you to incorporate all the categories of evidence within your essay. And if you click on this link, it will take you to a claim review and a review of the categories of evidence, which I also review on the research essay. But using those categories of evidence really help to prove your claim. Personal experience, historical or current events, literary connections, pop culture, and social observation. As always, I have placed an outline for the essay on my blog. It is a 15-paragraph outline, which again, I made how-to videos, and I'll show those to you in just a moment, that go over the assignment, the outline, the rubric, and the expectations for the essay. It is 30% of your grade, so do not put that essay off. Library quiz. Your library quiz is due April the 3rd at midnight, and it is worth 100 points. If you click here, then you will be directed to my notes over the quiz. The first thing that you will do is watch these 4 videos. So here's video 1, video 2, 3, 4, and video 5. And then I have some notes for you over the Camden Carroll Library and some questions that you are going to see on your quiz. For example, what can you find through the Camden Carroll Library site? You can find books, journals, articles, academic journals, magazines, newspapers, electronic media, DVDs, CDs, electronic books. If you find a source listed in the Camden Carroll Library catalog and realize that the library doesn't own it, you can use interlibrary loan, and you can have that book actually mailed to your house, which is so awesome. Bibliographical information helps you to find what you're looking for, the location, the type of source, the copyright date, and all of these are organized by subject heading because there are so many different subject headings and subjects at the Camden Carroll Library and any university library. They organize their main collections by subject heading. The most appropriate place to find information is peer-reviewed articles. And that is why using the MSU library databases is so important, because you find important information that is credible to you as a researcher. How to find more information, or how to make sure you are finding exactly what you need. If you use the word "and," then you are looking for two different things, wiretapping and the government. You're going to get less results, but they're going to be more specific. Maybe you're interested in teens and smoking or teens and vaping. You're going to get less results, but they're going to be more specific. However, if you use the word "or," wiretapping or the Fourth Amendment, you're going to get more results because you're going to get anything that includes wiretapping or the Fourth Amendment. The first step in researching a topic is to make a list of key words and phrases so that you have a list of things to reference and search for. The yellow Get It button is actually a Request It feature, and it helps you find what you're looking for, whether it's on the library website or in the databases or through interlibrary loan. Linked subject headings are awesome because it can help you find more information. The least appropriate place to find information is social media, YouTube, Twitter, etc. If the library doesn't have it, click the Find It button and they will be able to get it for you. Google is awesome, especially Google Scholar, because it's online, it's freely accessible, and it's a search engine that allows you to find scholarly works. Lots of times you can find something on Google Scholar and then go to the Camden Carroll Library and find it as well. Subject-specific encyclopedia gives you brief background information. It provides specific information on one subject, but that can be really useful if you're looking for social issues in America, an encyclopedia. Linked subject headings are shown here, and this will allow you to click on these other subjects that can provide you with useful information for your topic. Here's an example of a question that you will see on the library quiz. Given the information below from the library's online catalog, what is the best course of action to locate this book? Go to the library shelves and look for the book by the author's last name. Use the collection information and call number to locate the book in the library. Ask the library to borrow a book for you from another library, or click on the call number to find the whole book online. Here's another example. Given the information from the library's online catalog, what is the best course of action to locate this book? Since we see that it's available in the main collection, we would use that information to find the book. Again, please take the time to watch these videos so that you will do well on the library quiz and earn 100 points for that grade. Again, that's due Friday, April the 3rd at midnight, so take that today or tomorrow. If you're not sure how to find the library quiz, it's very easy. Just click on Units and then 7 through 10. I'm sorry. How about 11 through 17? If at first you don't succeed, try again. And here it is. You just simply click on the library quiz. And it gives you instructions because you have to go to English 200 assessments and click library quiz. So on your Blackboard page, you scroll down to, mine is entitled General Education Writing. Yours is entitled English 200 Assessments. And then over at the side, you should have something that says quizzes. And you should be able to find the library quiz there. My screen looks a little bit different than yours, as I just have a copy of the actual quiz, and you have the ability to click on and take the quiz. If you have any trouble with that at all, please reach out to me and I will gladly help you figure that out. You may call me if you like and I'll walk you through it. And then on April the 12th, you have an annotated bibliography due. If you click on the link that I made for you, then you will see the assignment. Create an MLA 8th edition formatted Google Doc, research your topic, entitle your annotated bibliography of, and then the working title of your essay. For example, Annotated Bibliography of the Importance of Vaccines in America. That's timely. Number 4, cite and summarize 5 to 10 sentences each, at least 10 sources that could be used in your essay. Remember to put those in alphabetical order so that you are using MLA format. Explain how each source could be used in your essay, at least 2 sentences each. Alphabetize the sources by author's last name. Cite using the MLA formula, author's last name, comma, author's first name, period, title of the article, period, publisher, publish date, and then the URL or the page numbers if it's print. If there is not an author, then begin the title and begin with the title and alphabetize using the title. For example, here is an example of a correctly cited source in MLA format. And I also made you a sentence starter for each summary. So I want you to use this sentence starter according to, and you put the author's full name. So for example, according to Kadir and Weiner, in the article, and then the title, entitled A Call for Better Opioid Prescribing Training and Education, and then state the claim. The authors argue that, etc. And here's an example. According to Bodner and Benison, in the article entitled The Impact of Disfavored Music on Affect Complexity in Young Adults, affect complexity is the idea that a positive effect and negative effect can coexist. Stressful events can decrease affect complexity, and in ellipses because the writer went on. So I really want you to use this sentence starter on each of those summaries because ideally you'll be able to use those summaries in your research essay. That's the whole point, okay? I'll even make this bigger to try and bring your attention to it when you click on it. Maybe not so much highlighting. And finally, your research essay is due on, make sure, May 3rd at midnight. So please go ahead and get started on that research essay so that you can do well, and if you need any help with it, you can email me or you could share it with myself and a friend so that we can peer review it for you. and that's on week 16. Share your essay with 2 peers and Ms. Stafford via Google Docs by April 26th at midnight. Feedback to peers is due by Wednesday, April 29th at midnight. Read, revise, and edit using the feedback